and costs can add up, especially in tropical climates prone to wear and tear. Don't forget about the legal complexities. Navigating property laws in a foreign country can be challenging. It's essential to do your homework and possibly hire a local expert. Just like anywhere in the world, there could be natural disasters. Punta Cana is susceptible to hurricanes and tropical storms, which can pose risks to your investment. The potential for growth is enormous, especially with new developments on the horizon. Look, investors should be cautious but also optimistic. The right property can be a gold mine. So, is investing in Punta Cana worth it? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like. Also, leave some comments below. I want to know, have you already invested in Punta Cana or are you planning on investing in Punta Cana? Let us know. But until then, I wish you the best of luck in any investment you make, especially here in the Dominican Republic.